and welcome back to my channel. This is so weird because I'm like staring into a mirror to my camera, but I thought I would try something a little bit different for my clothing haul. So for today's video, I'm doing a lounge apparel and lounge intimates haul. So I've seen this brand so much on Instagram, so I thought I would jump on the bandwagon and get a few things and let you guys know what I think of them. So without any further ado, I'm gonna get straight into it. So the first set that I picked up was this nude set. I am so obsessed with these track pants. Like, I've honestly been living in these ever since I got them. I love how you can see the little like lounge strap at the top because it like kind of looks like undies. I know, I just really like that. They're super comfortable. I got them in a size large just because I want to be really comfortable, and I thought they'd be a lot baggier, but they actually do fit quite snug. So just keep that in mind. I'm usually a size 10 to 12 in like normal clothes, and the size large, like I feel, is like a really good fit. And then I got a matching crop. These crops are honestly the most comfortable crops ever. I wear them to bed all the time, and I also wear them to my weight sessions at F45. This one's in a size medium, and I just feel like it just gives me the right support, and yeah, my boobs don't fall out, they don't jiggle everywhere when I'm exercising. And they're just so comfortable, and the material is really, really nice. These are quite thick, which is good obviously for winter, but I've been living in this set since I've got it. I absolutely love it. And I picked up the shorts as well in the nude color. Super obsessed with the material, really similar to the long track pants, but I just thought I would pick these up for summer because yeah, why not have a cute matching set for summer. So yeah, super obsessed with these. Material, again, really good quality and thick. And then because I was so obsessed with the nude set, I decided to get the pink trackies and the pink crop. I know they're not the same pink, so obviously you can mix and match, but I'm just like so obsessed with these trackies. They're super warm. Again, these are in a size large, this is in a size medium. Obsessed with this. I also find that this crop top hugs your boobs so well, and because I have to be wearing something sort of supportive all the time, I find myself always wearing these crops like underneath my clothes and to bed, just because they're so supportive, because I just gotten a boob job. But yeah, I just find that it just really holds them in really nice, but not too tight and still comfortable. And again, the quality of these, amazing. Like for the price, I am obsessed. So they also have cute t-shirts. So I got this one in the nude color just so I can mix and match. I just find that these crops are so cute, especially with these pink pants. I just think nude and pink go really well. And of course you can wear the crop underneath if you like, but yeah, I really like this shirt just for lounging around, running errands, around the house, wherever you want, to the shops. But yeah, these t-shirts are really, really nice. I love the raw like hem at the bottom, and they're not too short as well, which is what I sort of struggle to find in crop tops, because I find like they're either like too long or like they're like this, and I find that this is just like the perfect cropped t-shirt top because it doesn't show any belly, but it's still really, really flattering. So yeah, I love this top. So my last apparel pick was this jumper that matches my trackies. This is what this one looks like. Oh my god, it's just so warm and comfy. I got this one in a size large as well. Like, this is something I would wear on like a long haul flight, like to Europe or something, just because it's so warm, but it's like stylish at the same time. It's definitely what I'm gonna wear if I go to Canada this year on the plane. I just think it's super cute and it is so comfortable. So that is all the apparel I got, and then I got some cute little bralettes as well that I will show you guys. Okay, so this has definitely got to be one of my favorite pieces so far. I love how you can see a little bit of under boob. I find that really sexy. By the way, I do have tapes on my nipples in case you can see them. So, but it's just like this. It's like an open back, which I find really, really flattering. I feel like it's perfect because it's not too seductive or sexy, because it's not really showing that much cleavage, but then it does show a little bit of under boob like through the mesh, which I find really flattering. I don't know, I just like, I'm obsessed with this. I'm literally gonna be like wearing it 24/7. So the next bralette I got is this pink one. It's just kind of similar to the other pink one that I have, but it's just more of a triangle sort of type pattern. Once again, super, super cute to wear like underneath like a mesh top or something like that. I just love how it makes my boobs look. It doesn't make my boobs look like, whoa, like she's got freaking her boobs out. Like it's still covering the majority of my boobs. By the way, I got all these bralettes in a size large because I was just scared that if I got the medium, my boobs would just like fall out. But it's like really comfortable around like the waist area as well. It's not tight and it's still got the same sort of backing as the other bralette. But again, this is super cute. You can either like wear it to bed or again underneath a mesh top for like a festival or if you're going out. It's just really comfortable to just chill in. Like I don't feel like it's restricting my boobs, or like, you know, when you're wearing a bra and then you come home and you're like, oh, I can't wait to take off my bra, it's so uncomfortable. I feel like I could just wear this 24/7. But yeah, I just love the shape of this one and the cut. And last but not least, I got this gorgeous one-piece bodysuit and I am actually obsessed. Like I've already worn this out and I just got so many compliments on it. And I just love how it can obviously be worn like to bed, or you could like dress it up and go out with some high-waisted jeans and a nice belt and a jumper. I love this bit that goes above like your cleavage. I think it's really, really flattering. The back kind of just buckles up here at the top and then it's just got a straight strap just there. I would say it is a little bit risky wearing it out, but I guess it just depends on like the size of your boobs and whatever. But I've worn this like out before and I was fine. I just like use a little bit of tape here just so this doesn't sort of fall down, because it is quite a really silky material and it's not really made to be worn as a top, but obviously you can do whatever you want. I just put some Hollywood tape there so it wouldn't fall down, and I also covered my nipples with some nipple covers. But yeah, I'm just like so obsessed with this bodysuit. So Lounge has given me a sneaky discount code for you guys. I'll leave that on the screen and in the description box down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.